Hi everybody, it's Julie. I hope I'm going to be able to do this quick. I've got 3 of the kits and we will be going through those. But first I want you to know that the kits released today at 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. The first 8 kits that are sold will receive one of these die cuts. They're using an Anna Griffith, a really great cartridge that I have. I actually do have the cartridge for my Cricut. So go ahead and in the comments when you place your order, put whether you want a Santa or a snowman, okay? And so those are going to be the gifts for the first 8. And then I'm also going to be out when I'm live. I'm going to be stamping some pages with this awesome vintage, it doesn't got a picture there, the vintage Santa stamp, or it looks vintage, and the bells, and I have a couple more. And so everyone that places their orders from today through Sunday will receive 4 pages of, and this is really awesome paper, you guys. It's actually kind of sparkly, not sparkly, but it has a little bit of like a parchment glare to it. It's really cool. And so each of the kits that sell between now and Sunday, or when I go on Monday morning, when I go on, I'll cut it off. Boom. And that's Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so through, say 4 o'clock a.m. Monday is when I'll probably get to look and see the last order that will count. So each one of those you'll get, for each kit you order, you'll get 4 pages meant, for these, and they're meant to be folded, or you can use them however you want to, of course. So let me get right to it. Again, the first 8 orders are going to receive one of these. Put in your what your choice is, whether it's Santa or the snowman. And we'll start with the Frosty kit. And this is Frosty. It's literally Frosty the snowman ish kit. So you're going to get a piece of this wired pine that will be really fun to use to make things in your kit. This is the tassel part of tassel and tag and lace. So you'll get a piece of lace. Now your actual lace may be a little bit different, but you will get a piece of the lace, a piece of the plaid ribbon, a piece of the striped blue ribbon, this sheer ribbon, this really cool green lace that has other colors in it that I had gotten from Amore Fabrics, and then this one, this one, this one, and this one. So there's your trims and laces. You're gonna get this really fun piece of garland. I just liked it because it kind of went with the colors. This will be, you get blue glitter glue. Then this will be wrapped in a bag for you. And so you'll get bling. You get the 4 little squares from the children's material, a snowflake, a little cutout lace doily piece, a golden burlap piece. I thought this would be really fun to make a scarf or something in because it's for the snowman. You get this piece of material, red with the snowflakes, You get this piece of this material as well. Again, you can cut it up and use it, or it might work to bind your book, or not bind it, but to as your closure. And so we'll be playing with that. And then you get this piece of denim that has snowflakes on it. Okay, and it is about that big. So what is it, like 12 by 18 approximately. Okay, so there's that. We'll put this back. Okay, so there's all that. Okay, then let's go ahead and go through your bag of goodies. So you get the actual little bag, and you have the snowman eyelet, a little wreath, a couple of snowman stickers, a bottle cap with the holder that makes it so that you can have it flush with your paper. It says "'Tis the season." You get a little clothespin. You get a variety of other heart and the little red oval eyelets. You get a present eyelet. You get a pin and this little piece of cardboard. This is the bottom of your bag, but I put the pin in there just so it doesn't stick through the packaging. And that is to make the charm with your snowman eraser. That's my husband's alarm going off. You get a couple of tree stickers. Now again, your stickers may vary in color. You get this really puffy little snowman sticker. You get the little car with the tree. You get a metal snowflake. Your wire to make your tassel. 3 of the butterfly clips, so you can make the large paper clips. A snowflake. You get your washers to make 2 tassels or whatever. A couple, oh, and then the little bear. Isn't he cute? And the candy cane and a green present. You also get some faceted bling and a striped paper clip. So I think this kit is going to be really a lot of fun. There's like pretty much, the only thing I did not add this time is washi tape, and that was because I was unhappy with the quality of the washi tape that I had, and it could be because it was, you know, I bought it after Christmas, and so I wasn't happy with how it was sticking, so I just didn't do it. So there's your little findings bag. Next you have your little bag, and this is full of tags and cards and stickers. Okay, and so you have this one, you have this Holly Jolly, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Noel. Your sweater, oh, actually all the snowman ones were the same, so you'll get a snowman sweater for, you know, for the day you wear your ugly sweater, especially if you're doing December daily. My kits this time have, these are stickers, some snowman stickers. My kits have things for you to be able to document all different kinds of occasions that are going to happen without you having to go out and purchase. You know, there's quite a few things in here, and even, you know, they would probably add up if you bought. There's a couple of cards there. Isn't he cute? This is a gift card holder or a little present box, and a tag, a large tag. Okay, that's right, I put the I'm like, where are the little stickers? That's right, the little car and stuff. I put in this kit, I put them in with the findings. Okay, because there's several kits. So here's the paper part of your kit. And let me just show you. You're going to get some music. Some of them say Frosty the Snowman on them. Some of them don't, because it's the actual music. So that is your Frosty. You'll have, each of my kits will come with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that you can use with the template in my Scrap All About It with Dearjuliejulie Facebook group. In the files, there is a template, and you can make a couple of tuck spots, some tabs, and some tags using the template that I have in there. And you also get this doily. Okay, you get this card, and isn't it cute? And you get this one, and you get a tree, and you get this snowman card, and I love that snowman card. So all of those. Then various cards, and get this one is from 1979. And this time card, and the tickets, and another note, a couple things to do, and a guest check. It's a nice guest check. This little paper, and then we're into the note papers, and you'll see elf class mail. So this one could be the day your elf goes back to Santa. Get the cute penguin. Get this little coloring page, a holiday to-do wish list. This with the cute little birdhouses. You got your naughty list, your wish list, your oh what fun, candy canes. Here's Rudolph. So if you happen to watch Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you got something to put that on that page. I thought this was really cute with the snowman, the magic of Christmas. A cardinal, time card. All of these cards, everybody's will be different. And so the little snow people there, and this is a photo card. So there's actually places that you could stick a photo in there, or you can just glue some on top. A CD case, and now the beautiful napkin. You get two different. You get the poinsettias on one part and the holly. And so you get two of each of those. I think these are going to make beautiful tags. You get a snowman. These will all be different. It's from a little tiny coloring book I had. A red envelope. You get this page of words that you can cut out and use throughout. You get this piece of scrapbooking paper. Some noisy paper. Kids art paper, a little ledger, this really cute snowman computer paper, Christmas lights, Christmas ornaments, the Christmas candy. You get your graph paper, and there's 4 different images from the Frosty the Snowman book. So this is the one in here, and they're all pretty. They're pretty large, but they'll be really awesome in these books. So this is Frosty, and these are all limited. I'm not going to be able to make more of these. I literally went, oh, I've got 4 of those. I can use that in this kit. Oh, I've got 10 of those. I can use that in that. Literally, that's how these kits were put together. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the Snowman Frosty. This is the Frosty kit. And remember, the first 8 kits sold today on Tuesday will, or in the release, will get The first 8 will get one of these. So make sure you write Frosty or Santa or snowman or Santa in your memo. And everyone that places an order for a physical kit is going to get 4 pages of this awesome stamped, and you'll see him stamped in just if you watch the Santa video, you get a Santa stamped page in that video or in that kit. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. See you at 2. Have a great day. Bye.